Alright, the man of the hour. Unboxing everything. I'm having deja vu, man. Juice Cat was fun. This is gonna be fun. Look at this manifold. And he has a 3D printer and he 3D printed this gauge pod that's dope. Only the best stuff. Just get ready, guys. All right, we decided we're gonna start with the fuel pump.
Always use electric tools.
Yeah.
I'm dealing with gasoline.
Hey. Fuel line off. Electrical connector has been unplugged. Hey. Yeah. Fuel pump is out, and now we're going to be installing a Walbro 255.
Cool.
Supposed to stay off.
There you go.
There, yep. Nice.
Yes. Oh,
Gasoline. Did you get a new fuel sock too?
yes.
Hey.
Always.
And here's a new pump. Made in US of A.
What's up?
Very nice. You're not gonna need that intake anymore, bud.
Hey, what's an AAM?
Yeah, hit me up. You need an AEM. For sale, cheap. Alright, next is injectors. We gotta take the intake apart to get down to the injectors. That's the next step. Alright, so we got the upper center plenum off.
Yeah.
So now we can see the fuel injectors. Ooh, buddy. 550 cc coming out of street near you. Alright, fuel rail is loose. We're taking the injectors out now. Yee. Let me see that bad boy. Out with the old
Tenzo.
original.
These are 20 years old.
Alright, so the original injectors have plastic caps at the end that you need to reuse. And there's a special seal that you need to transfer over. Came from right there on that bottom ridge.
Snap.
Snap, crackle, pop. Alright, so that's a fully dressed pair of injectors. Those are ready to go. Alright, we're installing the new injectors. 550s are going in. Yes, sir. Got it off. Snaked it out of the car up through the hood.
find that the bolt's cross-threaded. The oxygen sensor. God almighty. Gorilla put it on. I wonder who. Oh, it's alright, I'm selling it. Alright, next is we need to drill and tap a hole right here for the oil drain return. The turbocharger gets oil fed through it and it needs to return to the oil pan. The stock 2JZ turbo has this already drilled out and ready. So since this is a non-turbo engine, we need to drill our own hole, tap, and put a fitting. And we're gonna be ready to rock. All right, before we drill and tap this oil pan, we'll center punched. And next we're gonna start with a small drill bit and work our way up to the final size of, I don't know what size it is. Oh, I gotta remember. 3/8? Oh no, 37/64.
37/64. Alright, hole has been drilled, tapped, and fitting is installed. Now oil from the turbo can drain back into the oil pan. Next, the hose is on and we put some heat protective sleeve over it. Woo!
Well, the goal was to keep it pretty. Well,
You did good.
it's gonna be close.
So that's odd. Alright, we're mocking up the turbo. We've had to clock it 5,867 different times. But we're getting there.
It's like it's too big.
He got sent the wrong turbo. It's bigger than it needs to be, but I've never had that be an issue. Bumper removed so we can access space to install the intercooler and the intercooler piping. Alright, bracket is being attached to the condenser mount. Intercooler is installed and the bracket that holds it. Very nice fitment, very clean. Wow, perfect.
Safety is key. Intercooler piping is on. Had to figure out quite a few different angles and couplers. Everything's coming together. Adding the mass airflow sensor now.
Never use a bit driver on these.
Got it.
You will round them off.
Yep.
People will hate you.
Sorry, I'm having a great time. Wastegate install. Oh, it just goes in line and then you plug it back in where it went. Okay.
BOOMSLANG for the win. Now the hard part is getting the cover back on.
Yep. Good morning, good afternoon, we're back. A little bit of sleep. Tidying up some loose ends. Gonna put the turbo blanket on the turbo, we forgot. Little stuff. We're gonna put the wideband in. And I wanna do some damn tuning today. So, stay tuned. No pun intended. It's hard to see, guys, but we got the tuning software up. And we're gonna go for a drive. Get some tuning done.